here, cubic divided by a linear is going to give me a quadratic. So quadratic has 3 terms, my linear had 2 terms, which means I need to do a 2 by 3 grid. Now I need to populate my grid. So I've got an x and a -2, x and a -2 goes in. Okay, now I'm going to fill in the grid by multiplying, adding diagonals, and comparing coefficient. I know the last number needs to be a -6. So -2 times what is going to get me -6? Well, that's got to be a +3. +3 goes in there. Okay, let's do some multiplying now. So +3 times x gives me +3x. Now I need to do a little bit of looking at diagonals. So for my x diagonal, I need it to be 1x. I've got 3 of them, which means it's too many. So I need to take away 2x. Right, figured out that box. We're back to now multiplying. -2 times what gives me -2x? Well, that's obviously a +x. Okay, let's now do some multiplying because I can. X times this x gives me a +x². Right, I'm back to looking at diagonals and comparing coefficients. So my x², I need that diagonal to work together to get me -x². At the moment, I've got x². Again, too much. I need to take away 2x². Okay, let's now figure out the last bit. So -2 times what is going to get me -2x²? That's got to be a plus x³. Let's fill out the last bit of the table. X², sorry, not x³. Oopsie daisy. X². X² times x is x³. This is your x². And does it match up with the final term in my cubic? Yes, it does, which means it's all good. So f of x must be x -2, x² plus x plus 3. And it says fully factorise. I cannot factorise that cubic any further, so that quadratic, sorry, any further. So that's it, job done.